Dave, thanks so much. The number of positive COVID-19 tests among those in Ohio prisons, it just keeps going up.
Yeah, within the last hour, the Ohio Department of Rehabilitation and Correction now says more than 4,100 inmates and staff members have tested positive. NBC4's Dan Perlman joins us from the Franklin Medical Center with what Governor Mike DeWine says must be done to limit the spread in prisons.
Well, the governor told us 844 of the state's prisoners have been released over the last 5 weeks. But for hundreds of individuals who took to the street today, that is not enough.
Dante Skelton, Prince Hampton.
Andrea Warren says she was there for all inmates, 4 in particular.
My boyfriend and cousins.
2 of which she says are at Marion Correctional Institution.
Something has to be done quick.
Andrea, part of the mostly drive-by protest in front of the ODRC headquarters and outside the State House. Protesters calling on the state to release 20,000 mostly immune-compromised prisoners by the end of May to slow the virus from spreading.
This is a health issue to the whole state of Ohio.
I pressed the ODRC on the rising number of COVID-19 cases in the state's prisons. A spokesperson once again stating the spike we are seeing is due to mass testing, including of those who are asymptomatic. In fact, she told me 95% of the staff and inmates who tested positive in Marion showed no symptoms at all. She also told me the number of tests issued at 3 specific locations is high due to demographics. As she wrote, Marion houses a high number of older individuals, many who have pre-existing health conditions. Pickaway houses our long-term care center, similar to a nursing home, and Franklin is our state prison medical center. Governor DeWine told us today he will have an update on the number of prisoners released next week, all while the calls for that to be expedited grow.
I'm very scared. I'm terrified. I'm hurt for them. I cry every night because they have to live like this.
And word from the ODRC is that several measures have been taken to protect inmates and staff. Today, I asked twice to speak with the director, but no response to that request. Local for you in Columbus, Dan Perlman, NBC4.